why and how to use theories and hypotheses in our research studies. Actually, when we design and apply a particular research project, whether through the use of quantitative, qualitative, or a mixed method research design to apply a research project and to have the results and outcomes through data collection procedures and data analysis, we have to use a particular theory or hypothesis to support the main structure of our study, and also to know the exact way and to connect different elements, different values and behaviors of the area that we want to conduct our study or our research project. Actually, when we talk about theories or a theories, a theory and the different disciplines, academic disciplines or research affairs play the role of a road or a street in a city or town. When we want to go to a particular city or town, and when we want to go to a particular street or area or house, we have to use a particular road or street to reach our goal or to go to the particular house and area that we want. Actually, we never stay or live in the road or street, but we use the road or street to go to the place or area that we want. If there is a particular street or road that we can use, then you need to build a new road or street. But if there is no new a useful or a real road or street, we have to try our best to build a new route to go to the area that we want. That's why when we design and apply a particular research project or research study in a big discipline or in an academic discipline, theories, academic theories and helpful and trusted hypotheses help us to go to the exact area that we want throughout the application of our research project. Actually, theory or hypothesis not a particular skill or behavior or element of a particular academic discipline. If we talk about human communication or psychology or education, if we use communication theories or psychology theories or educational theories, actually theories are not a particular behavior or a skill to be used in when we communicate with different people or when we use different aspects of education. But theories of that structure or conceptual framework which construct of a group of viewpoints in clear themes and clear words and keywords and points of views that enable us and help us and guide us to choose behaviors, elements and some themes clearly and follow the exact and the correct way to reach in the real point that we want through the application of our research studies. That's why when we design our research structure, our research proposal, and when we apply our research and practical ways through data collection and data analysis, we have to think to choose a clear and related and helpful theory or hypothesis, because theory and hypothesis helps us to follow the different steps of our study or research project very clearly and wisely, and we have to try to be connected to the different aspects and different stages of existing values, findings, and issues in the literature review and the related field or academic discipline. We have to follow the main aspects of the followed theory. But when we face with some problems or with some shortages, when we use a particular theory through the based on the cultural differences or geographical differences, if we use a theory from the western parts of the world, which are which is based on the liberal and individualistic culture, to eastern part of the world, which is a collectivistic and collectivistic structure and norm, with a collectivistic structure and norms of communication or living styles. We may find some differences. If the differences is not that much, and the minor differences, doesn't matter, we may transfer our data. But when the differences are huge, and it causes to ignore some parts of our data, but at that case we have to try our best to develop a new theory instead of ignoring the main parts of our data based on the geographical or cultural differences. That's why the usage of theory is very important here. In our research studies, we have to focus to use the right theory and to follow the main and practical aspect in the stages of the helpful and trusted academic theories to do the different stages of our research projects clearly and be connected with different aspects of the academic achievements and findings in the literature review and the field that we try to conduct our studies. I am Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari. If you think such videos and discussions are helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.